Welcome back guys, it's Kristifor here. Today I will show you how to get rid of spam comments in WordPress for free. But before we begin, you need to understand what are spam comments and why they are bad. Spam comments are like those annoying junk emails that you get on your mail, but for your website. They not only make your comment section to look bad, but also hard for real people to join the conversation. Plus they can contain some bad stuff like scams and viruses, which isn't good for anyone that visits your site. And that's not even all. Having spam can also make your site to look less trustworthy to search engines like Google and Bing, which can make it to go down in the search results and harder for people to find it. That's why today I decided to share 2 easy ways that will help you out to remove the spam comments forever. Method number 1. Using Akismet. Log into your site. Once you're logged in, go to the plugins and click on Add New. You'll see Akismet usually on the first page, just install and activate it. Once it's activated, go back to the dashboard. From here, go to the settings and click on the Akismet anti-spam tab. You will need to set up your account and choose a plan. Usually the free plan works great, but if you like, you can see some other plans too. I will use the free plan or the personal plan. Just click continue, fill up your own information here, and make sure to enter the email address that you use. Once that's done, you will see an API key and you will receive an email as well. Just copy the API and get back to the Akismet again. And here you need to click on the manually enter API key. Just add your own key. And that's all. Akismet is activated. From now, you will get all new spam comments in the spam tab directly, instead in the main comments tab. So let me show you how it works. I will add a spam comment and then a normal comment, just to show you how it looks. As you can see, if you enter a spam comment, it will go directly to a spam tab, and if you enter a normal comment, it will be pending only. Now let me show you the second method. Method number 2 is to disable comments globally. This method is good, but only if you don't need any comments on the site. To disable your comments, go back to the dashboard, go to the plugins, click on Add New, and then search for the disable comments. You will see many other plugins, but the one that I'm gonna use is a disable comments by VP Developer. Just install and activate it. Once it's activated, go back to the dashboard, then go to the settings, and you will see a new tab, disable comments. Click on it, and from here you can make sure if you want to disable the comments everywhere, or if you want to disable them for specific post types like pages or posts. I usually go with the first option and disable them everywhere. And another great thing about this plugin is that you can also delete all the comments with one click. If you go to the tab at the top and click on the delete comments, then you can select if you want to delete the comments from the whole site, or if you want to delete it from a specific post type, which is really nice. Instead of going to the comment section and then selecting which comments you want to delete, you can just use this plugin and delete all the comments at once. Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. If you want to see some more videos about web design, web development or WordPress, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and turn on the notification to get updated every time when I upload something new. Until then, see you in the next video.